Hello everyone, back with another review on the SoundPeats Air4 Pro. I'll have timestamps in the description if you're interested on everything in this video, but let's get to it. I lost my knife, and so I need to unbox another knife to cut this open. So here we go. Well, I could have used those scissors to open this, but I really wanted a new knife. So I got this Gerber contrast knife. I just like the color scheme. Anyways, big knife fan here. Maybe I'll do some more knife stuff. But now to the unboxing of the Air4 Pro earbuds. So in the case, I'll shake them open. But inside the case, you get two manuals inside of this little white thing. You flip it open. There's the earbud app manual and the earbuds themselves manual. And then they are wrapped in plastic. I do like this Pro case more than the Air4 Lite case. The Lite case was a glossy material, and this Pro case is more of a matte material and doesn't collect fingerprints as much. It comes with a USB-A to USB-C cord and other silicon tips for these earbuds. And here is the case one more time. Nice packaging. Here's the difference between the Air4 Pro and Air4 Lite. The Air4 Lite is glossy, has a little different type of case design, and just isn't as nice overall. The Air4 Lite also didn't have silicon tips, and so they were kind of reminiscent of the original AirPods, which did not have silicon tips. The Air4 Pro sounds so much better than the Air4 Lite. It's crazy. The Air4 Lite just sound distorted and the basses are crunchy, but the Air4 Pro sound good. And I was surprised how many features came with these earbuds for the price. These earbuds originally were $80, now they're down to $55 on Amazon. And for the price, they actually are a good deal. They have transparency mode and an app which you can adjust EQ settings. Okay, I've switched over to these earbuds and I'm on their microphone now. How clear is this microphone? My furnace is blowing in the background. And I'm interested to listen to this back. Do you think it's clear? Do you think this is a good microphone? Here's some snapping and some typing. Overall, what's your rating of the microphone? Thank you all for joining, and back to my Rode mic here now. Okay, I'm on my Rode mic again, and that microphone actually did sound good. I had some Koss headphones the other day, and the microphone on those was so bad that that microphone actually sounded great in relation to those Koss earbuds. Okay, here's an overview of the SoundPeats app. Once you connect the earbuds to your phone, and open up the app, it will show the battery percentages of each earbud, and you can hit the bottom left adjustment icon to adjust EQs. So these earbuds do have transparency mode and adjustable noise cancellation. That is okay. And then you can just turn it off. I'll turn on some Beyonce and try out bass boost, bass reducer, fashionable. That's an interesting name. And then you can also do this little test to hear different frequencies, and then they set the EQ custom to you. You can also just manually adjust the frequency response graph and play around with that to see how it sounds. But if you reset it, and then you can also just play with the built-in ones. Overall, this is a great app. Not many earbuds offer an adjustable EQ settings app for $55, so I think it is a good price range. And then they also came with a firmware update that you can do in the app. Overall, I think they do need to work on their translation between, I think, Chinese and English, but it's okay. For other earbuds like the Nothing earbuds, those are $150, and you can get an app and adjustable EQ settings. So for $55, I do think you're getting a good deal for the price. The build quality is pretty good. The USB-C charging port is very firm, and it has a pair button. Some earbuds these days don't even have a pair button, so I do appreciate that. And the sound quality of these earbuds is pretty great. I would recommend.